Narmala Kenyam Biakamal ka Nuer TV channel de Indial Ner Katada na Guriar Wayna Guasme Bantin Conte Lat Carodian Bana Kelinkel Bana Racha ka Kwijan Carodian Riktin Conan Talk Kiria Kadana Talk Bukon Linkel Kajalermane Bana Rach ka kwi doctoring machar ka kumes pilayo ban madan le rode bana jelinkel anda manduni chanko snyang malaya non wayne gwasme kanwa TV an walla shanga kel ka pay badak ron kina dangro wid jan dangro wid diech shanga nyam gwalungo no ci kon chang ka kel chana je chup gor jeno de loy dander tet ko ci kon changa mi ci kon ci ban walla a Friday Kishanga ditch. Bikoni kon lat Korean banak lingwas me kode kon kaler chop karo te very important. Te gojen odong de narin palping kaliang dian kede randar ke nyuak bakani kokien. Bana jo dan lero do gwadan bana nyuak kel kata dan dong de kon lingaja. No. Jo ne am bana ling bana rach kede kadan chitu kam jana Korean. Ari ke chitu kam jana Korean chala do ken chikorja tuo ka chang yandang ro bangwan ka pai baro ron kinda dangro. With Jandanga with the ditch. Tuoga come Jane Ketwich East County, Kajongle State. Chalado Sharam Kel, Chayir Shajabat, Kacharam Kelodian Chadamukabot. Name a report ki Mishalat did continue officially. One name a gen Changaro the co dong be Corban Yokomutuoga, come Jana Corodian Kika community Jana. Aina jenwo medan mechi kormeche tuok ngai kone ne shane di chopo jan bakalati which chakana gare kore dana chi tuok kam jane korodian no en jo chi tuok ka tada na shalat kije watu kam jane korodian. The incident happened on Akoch Island located in Lis Payam Duke area Twitch East County. Commissioner George Arok reported that the violence occurred near Botagany and involved individuals from a neighboring area. On Thursday, Commissioner George says some families are to leave their home items such as boat, dry fish and mosquito nets were reported missing following the incident. Duke County Commissioner John Shatim confirmed that an incident occurred but say full information about injuries or death was not yet available. He also mentioned another separate event on Wednesday where one person was killed in a reported attack involving army individual believed to be from a nearby region. Both officials say they are unable to fully manage the situation and asking for support from state and national authorities. The only state minister of law enforcement, Simon, will say the logistical issues are making it difficult to send security forces to affected area which have experienced repeated violence. Some of the ongoing tension is believed to be linked to past events that have not been resolved, including serious incident in October 2023 involving a local athlete. Community members and civil society leaders have called for a strong effort to promote peace and accountability. Bull Director of Interpret South Sudan and Chairperson of the Jonglei Civil Society Network urged national leaders to help stop the violence from spreading. We need the national government to step in to help bring peace to areas like Bosagany and Akoch Island. Bull said he called for peaceful dialogue and security support, saying the government should bring the two sides together. Nathan Kona Nying Guasmaling Yana me Kanit Kon Lajang and Kanit Content Chikora Moshiter Kamikin wa metar kimitar ka je koron kidan dangro jandangro diok che togo no te karam kel mishanak gwad meteken gwangar katingai kono ngola kana ngar kwirete kon no chalad no namo che to October 2023 gwan ma chote ka bon mi shwajek an gwa kor moment che tok jo me shalat ka kwijan en go shigore nagan widemi tish kan kumen o de kalok katada an kalat keje jo riena ban nyuak kel gwasame badung Dr. Riek Machaten ban madan le rodo gwasam ban jelinkel ka jo dan shalat mugoro de ne dialde kan tikelingtin ban madan le rodo gwasam ban jeling ko antama gottiti ka janta ma gorka no de tin dialtin lat karudien de ka dil ngaje gwano ko ngune Dr. Riek Machar ngai kono jen chaje yen ketel wa yena ka jo dan ngai kon diale Dr. Riek Machar jen first by President ka South Sudan ka leader of the SPLMIO ngode retijen kanane kamrar wana me jagane dial ko bike dier re wika South Sudan chere mangai kono tamate ko korung wanti lat karodian enono gurga jen wo de Dr. Machar de jelun dunongo da kaner aleka ka do badana chalat keje ban jo me ban jelinkel ka do badan en chineti wanti ko like kwide Dr. Machar jen naga gwazi dane chaje jako chabe jen ke chabe jalre wika South Sudan naga jen pai doke dan changyan dangra wide bakel kan me ben nyam ne na diala bajenen ano teram churai keje many international community teram churai keje anon en yende awari ngi dir long chaje de yen ka dobe dan ngi keje ngo melat ke kem yadi da wajena der ano telele chong kuma dan shoda lat Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president of South Sudan and leader of the SPLIO, remain under house arrest, sparking growing concern among citizens, political leaders, and international observers. Dr. Riek Machar has been under strict movement restriction for many months with limited access to the public and his own political party. His arrest has become a major political issue in South Sudan. Jolin kono gwasime yende and Dr. Machar awashime gwa awajene dwer. Chaje de yen, you know, chere mangai ken go alaro la dana to kam jena ejen kene kiir yadit. Duno ken na tuwa kana me gweke jenu chiral mudongde te kam dien kanangro kodi ne te konte nyen ke dini SSPDF kene din ten konte la mer wayami eno de jo yen chaje de yen ko telele teten bana mo chaje gujeno shitok kemen cha gujeno dong yen ka Dr. Machar ka jen gwazme ko cha evident yale kon yen ka je cha gujeno teleke wa kiir yadi jarna mal yerre kamala jen mi yena Dr. Machar ke je ko cha Dr. Machar che je de men yen madong Dr. Riek Machar is one of the key signatories to the 2018 peace agreement. Many believe that keeping him under arrest weaken the peace deal and create mistrust between political groups. As first by President Dr. Riek Machar plays a central role in the unity government, his limited freedom make it hard for his party, SPLM-IO, to fully take part in the government's work and slow down reform. Malin kono gwade me Dr. Machar nega gwase dan e yanje keje kan men participate tel gwache me joyten do badan che joy keje elengo do badan che joy keje o pen keje o jendere George e kim yadit so jen do badan en charge nen keje kodi kir dwale ke Dr. Machar gu jeno Dr. Machar me charge luñ dong de te ke popular to mi di de kwanye de la kwerso na mo ci kir che de gor a jen mi chirkana money Machar represents a large number of South Sudanese citizens. His continuous arrest is seen by many as an attempt to silence opposition voices and stop political balance. Human rights group, regional organizations, and even the United States have asked the government of South Sudan to respect the peace agreement and allow Dr. Riek Machar to move and speak freely. Jowe chalat gwasame kume ki kumen dialan kontinte ji Africa Pindian de ko larno international community do badana cha yen Dr. Machar chikana nok lokana kani yen Dr. Machar jan jagmal ko betelo ko ci mal jibriten ana chena men gorgo jan ode mal derben wa Dr. Machar ramkel mi lamal la janoko chet ko me chala ne ke 2016 me cha mal chala ke 2015 jode nok jore wich jode ko ju ke 2016 anyo ke 2018 me cha nyo mishal ke je chomal cho nyo matanya ja jan kule te ko ontem de na ke 2018 revitalized peace agreement men kwala lungne jogde bana me cha je gor kume kirmi yadi gor kirno de mal de je yar do bidan yar ka mal ke je kir dwale ke do bidan ba kuin kwar ba jalat ke je Supporters of Dr. Riek Machar say that his arrest is unfair and goes against the spirit of peace and national unity. Others fear that if he is not released soon, it could lead to more political tension and even violence. Many people are now calling on the government to release Dr. Riek Machar and allow him to fully carry out his duties as a vice president and peace partner. Naiding one chalga jenu alwen ke Dr. Machar do dan lwen ke je wagui ke jen go jen jaramadan en de mal de jenong chere mangai ke jen ideal ko wodi ala Dr. Machar mi chamal che tan che jamala loken go dong de natre mal la mala no ka be lat in full but gwate me lokir me yadi de ano de mal deja gor ko lere she dwale no kim yadi chetung wan long chaga yar ka luk de ko bimal be bere wi ka South Sudan yende ke Dr. Machar che yen Dr. Machar ka yade yerne mal dung South Sudan ka jo ran chalat ke je so ko kuje mo wachi chuong amalat ke kume kir me yadit mo gor de ne dial de kan madan lat ke kir de kan ngach okay no so mi chit kan me lat ke je no dera gwa ko mi cha Dr. Machar cha jelo nyatema de mal dera ben de dial de garu de realeka tele de modele to kare wi ka South Sudan ka jo ran chalat ko no tikene dial no de kan mal de kan nok chire madan gorke duno Ramadan en logo bi mal betitin Ramadan logo de na takamal ramamene e wudi shalka me kir mi ci kir mi cha mal che no kon teme tel me diarek ne dial de na sheng re malka no but ko ci kir cha mal che je gor jen me jana ko bina sheng je ki bina sheng bech na meni amila rode mu gor kano de ngach ke de lalet no te ka jo mi shalat gwasame mu gor ben yoga yekel ko mi kir mi yadit kanetin kon tin la ji Equatoria la Western Equatoria te ka ler mi shalat gwasame mu goro de kon linkel ka do badan en ci kir mi yadit to let ka je ka let ko be jalat ngai kono kila na la ka wuje President Salva Kiir has made many changes in the government of Western Equatoria and Northern Barghazal State. Jen chenating wan chaka way gwadame kanere kontila ji Western Equatoria. Alane diali juo de kapan. The change were made on Thursday evening and affected advisor, ministers, county commissioner, and members of the independent commission. All those affected are from Kiir Party, the Sudan People Liberation Movement. Ne diali konli yana gwasme te ne din shawuj Kiir me yadit kaneka. Te ka party te. Chenating wan chaka wuj ko jen che gurno dong miche je lat ka position by the way ka jan tama mo che gurno jin be jen ko gujen dong bile te some ideas ba wi ba jele nyon den run be party dong be japel ke boka guardian angode akane nuun kan should ray party ka de la jawo je en kem yadit no aka jo chalat gwasame mu gorde yen kep no Kiir also removed several minister in Conan Chawadi Kiir Mayadit, Ramishali Paulina David Simbi, Culture, Youth and Sport, Grace Apollo Musa, General Education and Instruction, James Severino Morris, Local Government and Law Enforcement, Nomba Mariam, Animal Resource Features and Tourism, Anna Tuna Rishad, Road and Bridges, John Ada, Parliamentary Affairs, Alison Barnaba, Agriculture, Forestry and Environment. Kiir che tekene ti che kwany bene ka jan gwada dan en kwanya natin che wuri shal kai Charles Gamburipa che je kwany ran culture use che kwany ran culture use ngene woni de wan wuju de ka Dr. Monday Daniel che kwany la General Education and Instruction re wucin yinimi ne dialati wuje ke ko gwejan wo sha kum ne cha janang nyal laken ajan la dan le kim yadi de so jo me gorjen wo de je nywa yekel ne manang je karudun lon Dr. Machar take long ano de jamaloñ Kiir duno Kiir balijan kadwo badan endere Dr. Machar dere jawoy keje you know ngai kona ko jen mi chedwal che Machar che jawoy ne wal but kadwale che gorno dong de na madara to ga jem ne tama kuna struggle ko Dr. Machar aloñ keje amala be but Kiir che jagor jo me amila rode ka che no gono be jenwa yekel ani ban jigale den biatekamal bye bye